A new COVID-19 testing and tracking program is underway to prevent outbreaks in one of the city's most vulnerable communities.
Our Sharon Chin on the important lessons learned so far and the model it's become in a story you'll see only on 5.
In a single-room occupancy hotel, or SRO, 2 or 3 people live here in a tiny 10 by 14-foot space. They share narrow hallways and bathrooms.
This storage room, we call a storage room, become a 2 shower and 1 toilet and 2 sink.
And although building owner Ding Li added extra showers and bathrooms, social distancing is still a challenge for some tenants like Ji Yao Zhu.
I'm a little concerned because given how many people are living in the same building.
They're taking part in a new COVID-19 testing and tracking program to prevent an outbreak among 14,000 people living in more than 100 Chinatown SROs.
So if there is one who's positive, that means that the chance of giving it to others very, very high, right?
Chinese hospital CEO Dr. Jan Zhang partners with the city's public health department to conduct free COVID-19 testing.
If tested positive, then quarantine them, and then you do the contact tracing in the meantime.
On this day, health workers test about 100 people in 4 SROs. More than 200 tenants had already been tested in 3 SROs since late May. Only 2 people in separate hotels have tested positive. They were quickly quarantined.
Yeah, exactly.
One lived in Iloa Odeye's building.
So I think we were all a little bit on edge. And
Iloa tested negative, and the virus did not spread. That experience taught health workers a valuable lesson. Stephanie Cohen, medical director of San Francisco City Clinic.
It also shows us that a single case in an SRO doesn't necessarily mean there's an outbreak there.
And even in cramped quarters, hand washing, physical distancing, and wearing masks are working.
It's not an easy fight, but these measures really can flatten the curve.
After testing, health workers phone tenants for health updates and request residents report any COVID symptoms they develop. But some residents fear if they call in, they'll get kicked out.
They're not being evicted if they're tested positive. So we need to educate them. We're there to help them.
Hospital clinic manager Jiami Wu helps spread the word.
If you have any symptoms, you can reach out to us. We have a COVID line, we have a COVID testing clinic, and so people won't get scared.
The 2-month-old Chinatown program now offers a model in COVID hotspots in the Mission and Tenderloin in hopes tenants in other neighborhood SROs can feel as safe as those who've been tested in Chinatown. In San Francisco, Sharon Chin, KPIX 5.